In this video, I am going to show you how to fix an unstable network connection in CapCut. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. If you have this problem in CapCut where it says unstable network connection, just go to the search menu and type in VPN settings. After that, click on the first result, then click on Add VPN. As you can see, after you click Add VPN, this window will pop up. In the connection name, write VPN1 or any name you want. Then here at the server name or address, you can go ahead to your browser and search for VPN Gate. As you can see, after you type VPN Gate, open this link. Then copy whichever DDNS hostname or IP address is from any country near you for the VPN to work correctly. In my case, I am going to choose the United States. Just copy and paste it right there. For the VPN type, choose the second option, SSTP. For the username and password, it is optional. Now just click on Save. After you click on Save, you can connect your VPN. After you connect it, just restart CapCut, check again, and it should work perfectly, as you can see. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.